friends, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be sharing my luxury MapleBlume subscription box. I love the MapleBlume subscription box. It is filled with full-size, clean, beautiful products. Some of them I have never heard of the company. I've been introduced to so many beautiful things through this box. It is a woman-owned company, which I love supporting. It is a Canadian company. And this box comes out quarterly. This is their August box. So November, I think there should be another box. It's a subscription box, but the opportunity to buy it as a one-time purchase, which I think is great for a mother of the bride, a wedding party, just a very dear friend or someone who's really into luxury clean products. It's great for gift giving, holiday gift giving, hostess gift, depending on your budget. It is a beautiful box. I have never been disappointed in any of them. You do not get little tiny sample sizes ever. They come through every single quarter with full size of beauty and skincare, sometimes hair oils. It all depends. I have not looked inside of this quarter's box. I like to do it with you. So I am going to go ahead and open it up, and we will discover the new luxurious products inside this box, okay? All right, so it is, again, MapleBlume is the name. The box is always the same, just a very elegant, beautiful box. You open it up, it is always has beautiful tissue, and it is sealed. Let me go ahead and pop that open. Inside, when you open it, there will be a card telling you about the products. I'm not going to peek at them because I don't want to know yet, but the card gives you a full description of the products and the actual value of the product. So let's just dig in and open up our first product. This is from Malaya, and this is their moisturizing body oil, citrus and bloom. This has rosehip oil, argan oil, calendula, jasmine, and neroli. And it says ingredients from organic farming, blend of 100% pure and organic essential oils from essential oils, a luxurious blend of organic wild-crafted botanicals and advanced natural actives. This oil nourishes and rejuvenates skin, leaving it silky smooth. This indulgent formula includes a blend of active botanicals known for their antioxidant and soothing properties, as well as their ability to improve moisture levels, reverse sun damage, increase elasticity, and aid in the prevention of stretch marks. Your skin will thank you. They would have had me completely sold if they said cellulite. So let's go ahead and open this up. I love to sample just a little bit. It is a beautiful bottle with a pump top, full size. The color is gorgeous. And I'm just going to pump a little bit out, get it going. Here it comes. I think it'll be the next couple. All right, let's get that going. Let me pump it. There we go. There we go. So it took a couple of pumps for me to get it up. I put a small amount on my hand. I'm going to go ahead and massage it in. It is so gorgeous. I just love body oils. Absolutely gorgeous. And the smell is just beautiful. Very clean, a little earthiness, but still bright enough that doesn't make it woodsy. Really beautiful, and a little goes a long way. And remember, I would apply this to my damp skin just getting out of the shower so that it will even go further because my skin is warm and just moisturizes beautifully. So that really is gorgeous. There is a little bit of a slip to it, so I wouldn't put silk under it, but I would definitely use this at nighttime before I go to bed just for the extra nourishment. So that is from Malaya Moisturizing Body Oil. And the price of the body oil on its own is $59. The next item we have is from Malaya. It's a soothing beauty bar, rosemary and lemongrass. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, it's wonderful. I love rosemary, but the rosemary and the lemongrass, they are blended equally, so one isn't overpowering the other. Oh, it's just simply gorgeous. So let's see what it says about this lovely little soap. The card will tell me, so I'm going to go ahead and here it is. The soap is $18.30 on its own. Lather yourself with this soothing beauty bar, rosemary and lemongrass from Malaya Organics. The anti-inflammatory and skin-softening comfrey root combined with antibacterial lemongrass, antioxidant rosemary, squalene-rich olive oil, and moisturizing coconut oil make this beauty bar the perfect soothing cleanser for your whole body and a rejuvenating experience with its refreshing scent. You see why I think this would be a great wedding party or a gift for a woman who has just had a baby. What other way to pamper herself with such beautiful products? I just think this is fabulous. Okay, so we have the bar of soap. So next we are going to go into, this is from RMS Beauty, and it is a palette. It's the signature set in Mod from RMS Beauty. It is the perfect summer palette. It contains some green beauty cult favorites like the Living Luminizer and Master Mixer, as well as 2 different pops of color, Smile and Spell. In the multi-purpose lip to cheek, the Simply Cocoa Lip and Skin Balm is a gorgeous extra touch that can be used to hydrate your lips or any dry areas on your face, and this retails for $59. So you are already well over $100 and I think $20. 50, 60, 60, 120, and then 18. Yeah, you're at like 138, almost 139. So this is the palette. So this is the lip balm, and then this can be cheek and lip, and then this can be used anywhere you want, eyes or not, or whatever. And it's all cream products. I'm sure many of you are familiar with RMS because so many people talk about the Living Luminizer being their favorite. I'm going to go ahead and tap it onto my cheek, and I'm going to do it right here so I can lift up my cheek area and give my face a little more fullness with this weight loss. So there it is. And you just tap it on, and it's beautiful. And for an aging skin, the creams are always a nice addition. So very, very nice. Okay, so a full palette there for $59. And then we have a, let's see, what is this? This is the Lip Scrub Strawberry Kiwi. Let's go ahead and open this up so I can smell it because I'm sure it's going to smell fabulous. And this here is the Smooth Your Lips with this delicious Strawberry Kiwi Lip Scrub from Pure Inada. Gently exfoliating the organic sugar scrub to make them kissably soft and prepped for your favorite balm or lippy. And this retails for $8. So let's go ahead and smell it. Oh, yes. Oh, it smells yummy, yummy, yummy. And you know, I use a lot of lip scrubs. I use a lip scrub every single night before I put my balm on. So I will go ahead and use this, and you'll see it in an empties or favorites. That's where a lot of my Maple Bloom stuff ends up because I use it and then I come and I tell you all about it, okay? In my empties or my favorites. So never miss them because there's a lot of good mini reviews in there. All right, so the last product, and this is their featured product. They always have one product that is the featured product in the box, but they are all good products. Okay, so this one here comes from the Cagilia. I know I butchered that. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Corrective Moisturizer from Luxe Botanics. Do you remember in one of my Maple Bloom box, I received the vitamin C mist. I loved it. I loved it. And that was from Luxe Botanics. It is a lightweight vitamin and antioxidant rich gel moisturizer powered by Cagilia Africana, a gentle skin purifying botanical that addresses unsightly skin concerns and supports cellular regeneration. Natural peptides restore the appearance of youthful suppleness, while Cagilia Africana works naturally to calm the look and feel of the skin. And this retails for $112 on its own. So let's go ahead. Comes in a box like this. So let's go ahead and open this up. And it comes in a tube, a white tube. It's liquidy. So I'm going to go ahead and hold the tube upside down so I don't have it all over me. And let's put this on my right hand so we can smell it. Oh, interesting. Very interesting texture. It goes a long way. Very moisturizing. Looks great on the skin. Oh, and it smells so fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. No greasiness to it. Really, really a unique product. This is a corrective moisturizer. Very interesting. I cannot wait to use this. And it says, ideal for combination, oily, irritated, sensitive, or post-treatment skin. And it's a lightweight vitamin and antioxidant rich gel moisturizer. This is really, really interesting. I will let you know how it works on my skin. I have very dry skin and it has become sensitive. So I will definitely, you cannot even feel it on you. So for those of you that have oily skin and you're always looking for a moisturizer, ideal for combination oily, irritated skin, you may really love this because there is no greasiness at all left behind, but yet it feels really moisturized and soft. All right, so that is it for this quarter's MapleBlume box. Again, I am not disappointed in any of the products. I will try them all and come back to you and let you know how they all worked. Remember, watch my empties and my favorites. That is where a lot of things will end up with a mini review. All right, my friends, thanks to the ladies at MapleBlume for always keeping your promise to us to make this a beautiful, beautiful box with full-size products and for introducing us to new brands. All right, my friends, let me know in the comments if you've already been getting the MapleBlume box. Is it something that you would consider for a subscription? Or perhaps you may have some gift giving to do and you can buy it as a one-time purchase. All right, my ageless beauties, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I am so excited with the growth of my channel and that I have such a wonderful community of people in the comment sections. It means so much to me, but I really need you to subscribe because I want to see that 200,000 mark. I mean, think about it. I'm a 60-year-old woman on YouTube where the demographics is usually between 20s and the 40s, and here I am at 60 years old and I've had some good growth in the last couple of weeks, and I want to keep it going. And how great would it be to see 200,000 ageless beauties? It would be great. So go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you are made aware of all the videos that I am putting out. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.